Good morning, food lovers. Today we're diving into the heart of Pakistani breakfast with a beloved staple, Nihari. One of the famous breakfast food of Pakistan is waiting for you to cook. Before this, we have a fast recipe in 2 minutes. You will learn all about Nihari. Join me on this culinary journey as we explore the rich flavors and heritage behind this hearty morning delight. Let's start with the essentials. For this authentic Nihari recipe, you'll need tender meat, aromatic spices, ginger, garlic, wheat flour, and of course, the secret to that rich broth, thyme. The longer it simmers, the better. The magic begins with marinating the meat in our flavorful spice mix. Next, sauté ginger and garlic until aromatic. Add the marinated meat and let it dance in the pot, absorbing all those spices. Once it's beautifully browned, add water and let it simmer. As the Nihari simmers away, the aroma will fill your kitchen with warmth and anticipation. It's this slow cooking process that transforms simple ingredients into a robust and flavorful breakfast experience. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Once your Nihari reaches that perfect consistency, it's time to serve. Ladle it into bowls, garnish with fresh coriander, ginger strips, and a squeeze of lemon. Pair it with naan or your favorite bread, and there you have it, a breakfast fit for royalty. And there you have it, the recipe for a traditional Pakistani breakfast, Nihari. If you enjoyed this quick journey into the heart of Pakistani cuisine, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more flavorful adventures, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, enjoy your breakfast and happy cooking.